My name is Samuel Stinson. Storm season is fast approaching. Learn how to make as much money as you want today helping other people restore their homes and commercial properties. You can be successful with little to no experience. It's a known fact that hail causes approximately $1 billion annually in damage in the United States alone to houses, commercial buildings, cars, and everything in its path. This is a proven business model that will guide you through starting a highly profitable storm damage repair business. This book will explain how to become an insurance claim specialist contractor. I use this information myself and it works flawlessly every time, year after year. It includes several links to websites that will help you locate damaged areas. This book will show you how to get insurance companies to pay you an additional 10% overhead and 10% profit over and above the total contract price. You will be able to make money anytime there is storm damage to property. Along with this informative ebook, you will receive Microsoft Excel software. This software is specifically designed for settling insurance claims and you can include a picture of the property on the estimate. Hail damage causes approximately $1 billion annually in the United States alone to houses, cars, and other buildings. You can use this information for settling all types of insurance claims. There is plenty of storm damage out there already, so learn how to profit from it today. When I first started my storm damage repair business years ago, I just charged everyone $100 per square to replace their roofs, until a hailstorm hit causing major damage in my city. I discovered insurance companies were paying much more than I was charging people to complete the same repairs. Not only that, but they were paying 10% overhead and 10% profit over and above the final contract price. It is a little-known fact that insurance companies want their estimates itemized. When the hailstorm hit, I gave a customer an estimate which the insurance company denied because it was not itemized. This information will also help you get the insurance companies to pay you more by itemizing all line items separately. Plus, this information can be used for settling all types of insurance claims, not just hail, such as wind damage from hurricanes and tornadoes, as well as flood and fire claims. You also will be helping people restore their homes and commercial properties in their time of need. Thank you for buying my ebook and storm damage estimating Excel software. In this ebook you will learn a proven way of settling insurance claims from my over 30 years experience being a licensed residential and commercial property insurance claims adjuster, and a professional storm contractor. I've been a licensed property claims adjuster for over 15 years and a professional storm contractor for over 15 years, giving me 30 years of combined experience. Before becoming an insurance adjuster, I worked as a salesman for an insurance claims specialist contractor. Afterwards, I owned and operated my own storm damage restoration business for 15 years. You will also learn how to get insurance companies to pay you an additional 10% overhead and 10% profit above your final contract price in the form of overhead and profit. I used to give property owners estimates only to hear them say, "My insurance company never gave me that much money." I always thought that made sense because of the depreciation factor. For instance, a 20-year roof that is 10 years old would have a 50% depreciation factor. I used to just tell them that's understandable since your roof has only 50% of life left on it now. Boy, was I wrong. I discovered, when it comes to dealing with insurance companies, they will pay replacement cost for any and all legitimate damage as long as it is itemized properly, and submitted on the correct forms if you have a replacement cost policy. There are two types you will be dealing with: replacement cost and ACV. Unlike replacement cost policies, ACV means actual cash value. ACV policies does not cover any depreciation, therefore the depreciation is non-recoverable. I realize that most contractors do not itemize when giving estimates. I can't stress enough that it must be legitimate damage that has to be itemized properly, and submitted on the correct form. Your goal is to get people to sign up with you, and in order to accomplish this you'll need to know whether to use an agreement or supplement agreement when submitting their claim to their insurance company. You will use agreements anytime the insurance adjuster has already inspected the property and found damage after inspecting the loss, or whenever no adjuster has been called because the property owner was not even aware that they had damage at all. You will also discover how to get the insurance companies to pay you the additional 10% overhead and 10% profit, and small average homeowner hail claims range from $5,000 to $7,500. Supplements are used whenever the adjuster has already been out to inspect the property but never found damage or denied someone's claim. Believe me, this happens quite frequently when there are catastrophes. It happens because by law insurance companies have to have their claims contacted within 24 hours and inspected within a reasonable amount of time, usually 1 to 2 weeks, and they're forced to hire inexperienced adjusters to at least make first contact with their insureds. Keep in mind, Insurance companies are not going to pay for claims if there is no damage. You will also learn the exact wording I've used for many years that makes it almost impossible for people not to want you to do all their work, and it's already loaded inside the software. Getting contracts from people to let you complete the work on their property is not difficult at all, because you will be charging exactly what insurance companies are paying at no cost to the insured except for their already agreed upon insurance deductible. Getting people to let you do their work is not difficult with this information. Another salesman and I got 17 new projects in one day just by driving to a recently damaged area and knocking on a few doors. People were coming out asking us to give them estimates. Get a piece of this insurance claim repair business now. Insurance companies are a $1 trillion industry.